So today we're at GrandWest and we're about to spend 24 hours in GrandWest. I'm trying to spend $500 today. I'm gonna try out a few activities. I'm gonna try out, I think, bowling, the arcade, and we're also gonna check out a few places that are inside there. That's why we're gonna find a few food to eat as well, and something, something nice and something exciting for you guys. Anyway, join me. Okay, so right now we just stopped over at Hasa Grill to just have a few shots before before the before the Rambo starts. So I'm going for a tequila and maybe I might have a brandy, and then from that we good.
We do the tequila like the Mexicans.
I'm a black Mexican.
So
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining.
Okay, so now we are at the bowling area, and then we're gonna do 3 challenges. We're gonna do an opposite hand throw, and then we're gonna do a no-looking shot, and then we're also gonna do what do you call it? We're gonna do a speed round. So it's speed round, no look, and opposite hand. So we've got 3 challenges. Whoever loses is gonna get a day at the end of that. So we're gonna start the challenges right now. Just over there, by GrandWest or whatever. We're gonna start the challenges, and the first challenge will be throwing the ball with the other hand that you're not using. Throwing the ball with the other hand.
Let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through?
Let me see the face. Let me see him in the face. We see you. We see you. Angry. We see you. Mr. Keke is going on the left hand. On the left hand. This. Oh, boy, man. Okay, so now we're doing the no-look shot. So no one has to look while shooting. So while you're shooting, you don't have to look at the ball. At this point, my team was leading, and I decided to do a little victory dance just to teach Mr. K a few dance moves, a few old school dance moves. The day was tequilas on the people that lost.
Exactly.
So you are punishing us with tequila.
We're punishing you with tequila, yes.
So you are going to buy us tequilas.
So we're punishing you guys
We are very
with
angry.
the tequila.
We are very angry. We lost. I'm very angry that we lost because we are going to be killed by tequilas.
But you know what?
We lost.
You know what? I've decided to change it.
What?
I've decided to say now they have to have a beer each to down a beer. That will be a better.
Don't come here and think of things that we can't sentence us twice.
The mission
You can't sentence us twice.
The mission
Sentencing
needs
us.
to be completed.
Sentencing us twice. We've been sentenced once. We are done. We are good with the first sentence. We are going to end. We are angry that we are drinking these tequilas. Very not right.
Yeah.
It's punishment.
But to be
So
honest with you guys, you people are so losers. Mr. K and Tessie are so losers.
No, but we were trying though.
You tried.
We did try.
If that's what we call it,
They
that's what
cheated.
we call it.
We did
What
try.
do you mean we
cheated.
cheated? We knew the guy.
She had 4 rounds of barrels.
And then
So after this, we're gonna go to the arcade, and from the arcade, we're gonna come back and do something as
even kneeling down.
Okay, so now we're gonna tackle the arcade. I'm with Mr. K. And so we're gonna do 100 rand each for each team.
Whoever wins is going to do or ask the other person to do what they want on any certain day that they are together. So or anything.
Or ice skating.
Or even ice skating.
Yes.
Okay.
So whoever loses loses again. Whoever loses, we can say anything for them, and then they will have to do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Okay. Anyway, guys, this is the arcade, and then let's go inside.
What?
We're doing normal.
They don't have no more cash. We're doing this.
We're doing this.
Check here.
Yeah, you're probably wondering how we ended up here. Let me give you a quick backstory. Remember the quick tequilas? The Mexican tequilas?
Whoa. I'm getting numb.
So yes, that's how it started.
Just come back again. You load in your money
And you
Same
can
card.
pay as much as you want to.
Play the machine.
Hey Tate, how are you? How's the day going, Kathy?
Okay.
Really?
Good.
You look excited.
Good. Fine.
I can see. Yeah, you're fine. What are you?
So,
So we're gonna do the hair doll. Hair doll or
can't we do
No.
both?
haunted forest. We're gonna see how it's gonna go, and we're gonna see if it's gonna be exciting, if it's gonna be scary, or if it's gonna be a nice show. So we decided to do the haunted doll, and we're on 3D glasses. You guys are looking good right now, trust me. We're on 3D glasses. We're doing the haunted doll, and this is how it's looking. Let's see how it goes. Hey, okay, it's okay. No, it's not. But it's not. Hey, Jay. Abra. Oh, pumpkin patch. Abra, it's not really that scary though.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Kelly. You know how we do it. Today is the next day. So I just wanted to say my phone ended up running out of battery and also the mic's out of battery. So I couldn't end the video. But I don't know about the other guys what they think about the food, but me, I would give it a nice 6.5 to 7. Let's just say 7. I'll give it a 7 out of 10. The steak was nice. The prawns were good. Everything was just very well balanced, and I also like the onion rings. They're very crispy, and the chips were the best. The chips were the best. And yeah, so the overall experience, I would really give it, like the overall GrandWest experience, I would give it 7 out of 10. The food, everything, 7 out of 10. That was a good one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and obviously my team won. So I hope you guys enjoy this one. If you do like, and if you want to see us doing more challenges at GrandWest, if you want to see us doing some more dares, put it down in the comment section, and you know. But yeah, it's your boy Kalo signing out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys had fun, and catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.